Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by checking versions and saving your data. First, confirm the Minecraft version matches the Fabric Loader version. Mismatches cause many crashes. Once done, back up your world saves and the mods folder to a temp location so you can restore if needed. Next, open the launcher and enable detailed game logs. This captures error lines that we'll use. Make sure to note when the crash happens so you can filter log timestamps while troubleshooting. Now you'll isolate the culprit by reading the logs and trimming mods. Start with the latest log file. Look for exception, caused by, or explicit mod ID. Those point to the offender. Once identified, use a binary removal approach. Remove half your mods and launch, then have the failing group until you isolate a single problematic mod. Make sure to verify Fabric API and any core or native libraries are version compatible, because those often break without clear errors. Finish by applying the fix and confirming stability. If a mod is at fault, update it or replace it with a compatible version. If corruption occurred, restore your backup saves and perform a clean launch profile to ensure the game runs. Once stable, reintroduce remaining mods gradually to confirm no hidden conflicts. If crashes persist, grab fresh logs and include the full mod list and crash timestamps when seeking help, so maintainers can reproduce and resolve the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.